Welcome to LNB Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to discuss some of the basics of the electric vehicles, part 8. So if you have missed out part 1 to 7, no issue. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In our channel we had provided the playlist. In the playlist you can see all the part 7s that we had discussed earlier. So this session we had already classified into 24 parts. So each and every part we are providing for you in a clarity. Okay, and in our videos we might be using so many abbreviations. If you have any doubts, please refer to this part of the video for abbreviations. So what are the things that we are going to discuss today in this part? So today we are going to discuss something related to the components that we might be using the fuel cell operated battery electric vehicle and how it will be working. Okay, and what components will be inside a series hybrid configuration and a parallel hybrid configuration, and what are the internal components of a Toyota Prius. So as we told earlier, in the fuel cell operated electric vehicle we'll have an internal combustion engine, we'll have electrical motor, we'll have a power electronics, and we will have a high voltage battery. So in the fuel cell operated electric vehicle, the most important component is fuel cell, and we will have a high voltage battery, and we will have a single electrical motor, and we will have an air compression system, and we will have a power electronic components for operating the batteries and the electrical motors properly. So consider a situation here, you are making a driving, your fuel engine is off. So what will happen? The electrical motor will try to run as a drive unit, consumes the power from the high voltage battery. Through the power electronic equipments it will operate. Okay, now consider a situation, your fuel cell is active. So what will happen? Since the fuel cell is active, it will try to generate the power. The energy generated from the fuel cell is getting stored in the high voltage battery through the power electronics, and in the same time driving is happening with the help of this electrical motors. Now consider a situation, your fuel cell is off and you are trying to apply the brakes. So at the time your motor will try to run as an alternator. So because of it, the energy generated is getting stored in the high voltage battery through the power electronic equipments. So this is a typical view of a series hybrid. We will have an internal combustion engine, and we will have a generator, we will have a DC to DC converter, and we will have a 12 volt voltage system, and we will have a energy storage system for the batteries, and we'll have a traction motor along with the gearboxes, and we'll have a electrical hydraulic pumps, and also we also have high voltage junction boxes for, and in order to control the entire power train controls, we'll have a power train control modules. So as we get into the parallel hybrid vehicle, we have a high voltage battery, we'll have an electrical motor, we'll have internal combustion, we'll have AC compressor, we'll have a power electronics, and we'll have a high voltage cables for transmitting the signals from a battery, a power from battery to the required motors. And if we get into the power split type hybrid Toyota Prius, here we have a battery and we have a motor which also acts as a generator when we apply the brake. Okay, and apart from it, we have a two motors. Both the motors has a capability to act as a generator whenever required, and also we also have the engine which will operate with the help of the energy from the fuel tanks. So this is a power split device. Okay, so this will try to help this vehicle to operate by taking the power from both the units whenever required. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. You can provide the contact details here. We are providing solar on-grid, off-grid, hybrid application, design, installation, testing, commissioning, consultancy, and training supports. And for the agriculture farms, if you had a plan to put the solar fencing, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. And for PLC programming, if you are really interested to learn the programming along with the certification, then you can contact us. We are providing PLC programming training for Siemens, Allen Bradley, Delta PLC along with the certification. And if you had a plan to work in the GCC countries in the automation industry for the building management system and the building automation and control system, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. And if you want to know the electric vehicle basics along with the certification, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. Thank you so much.